Lock back. Deep carry tip down. Or deep carry tip up, I mean. Right side only carry, which I don't know why they only made it one way. Look at the way that clips on there. Definitely they can drill some holes on the other side, but oh well. Dual thumb studs. Sharpening choil. No lanyard hole. No jimping. There you go. The Buck Rival 2. A little bit of left and right and up and down blade play. It's got a pinned pivot, so cannot make that tighter. I really don't like the look of that clip. I like that it's deep carry like that, but that would look so much better if it was recessed. But this is not an expensive knife, so it is what it is.